In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import live crypto prices into Google Sheets. This is a handy tool for anyone who wants to keep a close eye on market trends without having to constantly check multiple websites or apps. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the world of cryptocurrencies, this guide will help simplify your experience. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Sheets. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in Google Sheets, you can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one for the purpose of tracking cryptocurrency prices. Next, you'll want to decide which cryptocurrency you want to track. In a cell of your choice, write the name of the cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other currency you're interested in. This helps you keep your sheet organized and makes it clear which price you're tracking. Following this step, in a new cell beside the currency name, write something like price or any relevant label that signifies this cell will display the crypto's current price. Providing clear labels is crucial, especially if you're planning to track multiple currencies and want to keep your sheet tidy and comprehensible at a glance. Now you will need to input a formula to fetch the live price data. Google Sheets allows you to import data from the web through specific functions. The formula we're going to use involves the import XML or import data functions, which allow us to pull fresh data directly from a website. You'll need to get the URL from a reliable source that updates the price of the cryptocurrency you want to track. Copy that URL and make sure it's specifically for the live data feed of your chosen currency. Once you have your formula ready, go back to Google Sheets and paste it into the cell you labeled for the price. After pasting, press Enter, and Google Sheets will execute the formula, pulling the latest data from the URL you provided. You'll see the current price appear in this cell, and it will update over time as market prices change. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now set up to provide you with live updates of cryptocurrency prices. You can repeat these steps for any additional cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Maintaining an organized sheet will help you keep track of multiple currencies at once, giving you a snapshot of the market landscape whenever you need it. If you have any questions or run into any issues along the way, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments below. Happy tracking, and best of luck with your investments.